The bodies of 4 engineering students of the Beas tragedy were flown back to Hyderabad last evening. The students were swept away when they were on the banks of the river Beas and water was released from the hydropower plant upstream. Union Minister Gajapati Raju accompanied families to Himachal, many of them choosing to stay back in the hope that the bodies of their kin may be recovered today when the search operation resumes. So far, the bodies of 4 girls and a boy have been recovered, while 19 students and 1 tour guide are still missing. Meanwhile, the Larji project authorities have claimed that they followed protocol and alarms were sounded before the release of water. But students say there was no such alarm. A plane carrying 22 survivors of the group also returned to Hyderabad on the same special flight arranged by the Andhra Pradesh government. For the students from the VNR Vigyan Jyoti Engineering College in Hyderabad, a college excursion that turned into a horrific nightmare in just a matter of seconds.
हैदराबाद के इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के लापता 20 छात्रों को अभी भी तलाशने का काम चल रहा है। हम इस वक्त पंडोह डैम पर हैं और आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे जो जॉइंट ऑपरेशन है वो चलाया जा रहा है, जिसमें सेना के लोग शामिल हैं, एसएसबी, आईटीबीपी और जो भाखड़ा ब्यास मैनेजमेंट बोर्ड है उसके जो खोजी दस्ते हैं वो इस काम में लगे हुए हैं। ये पूरा 10 किलोमीटर का एरिया है बताया जा रहा है। जो लार्जी डैम है जहाँ से पानी छोड़ा गया वहाँ से लेकर ये पंडोह डैम डाउनस्ट्रीम है यहाँ तक, और इस 10 किलोमीटर के इलाके में ही जो शव हैं उनके मिलने की संभावना सबसे ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि इस डैम के आगे का जो हिस्सा है वहाँ पे जो फ्लड गेट्स हैं वो बंद कर दिए गए थे, तो इसके आगे जो शवों को बह के जाने की चांसेस हैं वो बहुत कम है। लिहाजा जो पूरी खोज है वो इसी 10 किलोमीटर के दायरे में हो रही है और मोटर बोट्स के ज़रिए जो खोजी दस्ते हैं वो लगातार गश्त कर रहे हैं, ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि कहीं जो शव हैं वो आसपास की जो झाड़ियां हैं वहां पे जाकर ना अटक गए हों।
This was probably one of the last photographs of Akula Vijeta, a 20-year-old who was among 24 engineering students washed away on Sunday evening in Mandi district of Himachal Pradesh on river Beas after floodgates were unexpectedly opened. Like most grief-struck and shocked parents, Afshia Begum refused to believe what had happened. In Khammam, Upender's mother is inconsolable.
Information lekunda gatelu తీయడం అనేది చాలా పెద్ద నేరం. అసలు ఎప్పుడో అర్ధరాత్రి పూట 10 తర్వాత తీసుకునే గేట్లు సాయంత్రం 6 గంటలకి తీయడం ఏంటి అసలు? 7 గంటలకు తీసుకోపోయి పిల్లలు మొత్తం చంపి పారేశారు.
Shekhar Naik's outburst of anger reflecting his deep grief and helplessness.
నన్ను చెప్పండి, అబ్బాయి అలా చచ్చిడు, నన్ను ఈరోజు మీ కాలేజీ ముందు చెప్పండి. నేను సాయం ఇప్పుడు చేస్తా.
Just 10 days ago, this father from Nalgonda had arranged to send 15,000 rupees for his son Ram Babu's trip. Now, only his body would come home. From this institute, a group of 48 students left on the 3rd of June on a study tour cum excursion. The first leg of the tour was industry visits to Delhi, and then the pleasure trip to Manali, en route which this totally unexpected mishap happened. College officials say students have told them the flash flood came without a warning.
48 students, girls and boys are enjoying the weather and photography. All of a sudden the gates of the dam were opened without any notice. Some students ran out of that one, but remaining there are altogether 24 students who are in a group actually.
Parents of students reported missing have been taken to the mishap site. The rest are being brought home Monday evening. Almost a deathly silence envelops this otherwise buzzing institute as parents, students and also the institute itself tries to come to terms with the reality of this very massive tragedy. The big question that haunts everyone, if there had been effective and adequate safety warnings at the site of the mishap, could this terrible day have been prevented? In Hyderabad with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.